And 1. Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. 2. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. 3. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. 4. Logic will get you from A to B, imagination will take you everywhere. 5. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. 6. The only source of knowledge is experience. 7. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. 8. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. 9. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. 10. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it.